am Liz Lathan, and we are exploring engagement ideas and fun ways to make your virtual event more exciting for your participants. This is Hot Off the Press. So we gathered together a few people to show you some fun games that we've been playing in our events lately. The first one we want to share is Jigsaw Puzzles. Take a look. Hi everybody. Today I want to show you Jigsaw Puzzles, a fun, collaborative, free online way to engage people in your Zoom meeting. So I have gone to a Jigsaw Puzzle website called jigsawpuzzles.io. I have created a free online puzzle, and this team here is going to solve this 35-piece puzzle. Everyone has just received it in the chat. Click on that link and let's do this. Move your mouse around, grab a piece. We can do it. This is way more fun to do with music playing in the background, but due to licensing, I don't have actual approved music to play. So you can see as you grab a piece and bring it in, it just kind of snaps into place if you found the right place for it. If you did not find the right place for it, it will not snap into place. Oh, good job. Good job, team. We're almost there.
Fun.
So close.
Those little black hands.
One more piece. Oh, these are all floating. Here we go.
Yay!
Congratulations, team. The puzzles in this website allow you to choose from 35 pieces up to thousands of pieces, so it depends on how long you really want to torture the people in your meeting. The next one we want to get into is a little game we like to call Pictionary. This one was created in Zoom using the Zoom whiteboard, but you can also use an online collaborative whiteboard. Just Google it and you'll find a bunch to choose from. Check out how we organize a game of Pictionary. Welcome everybody. The next engagement idea that I'm going to share with you is Pictionary. We are using Zoom, which has a built-in whiteboard. And the way this one's going to work is I'm going to break everyone here into 2 random breakout rooms. You will not know which room you're going into until you're in it. You must come up with a team name and then meet me back in this room. So I'm going to select the breakout rooms option in Zoom. I'm going to create 2 rooms and automatically move everyone into it. So I'm going to push you all into the rooms now. Pick your first drawer and name your team, and I will see you back in a few moments.
Okay, we're the hot admins.
Fantastic. Welcome back. Welcome back. So what I'd like you to do is hover over your own picture where you have the 3 little dots. Rename yourself your team name - your name. So I know who's on what team.
Brett, is it the hot admins or just hot admins?
Hot admins.
Okay.
The Zoomerangs and the hot admins. All right.
Boomerang. Yeah.
All right, good job, team. So now I can see that we have these 2 teams here. I am going to screen share whiteboard by clicking share screen. Click on whiteboard, and there we go. And now I'm going to use the chat feature. And who, Zoomerangs, is your first drawer?
Me.
Tom. Okay, Tom, I am private messaging you your word.
Liz, I have a question.
Sure.
Does everyone get to answer or just the other team?
So the Zoomerangs have to try to guess what their drawer is drawing, and if they cannot guess it in, I think I'm going to give them 30 seconds, then your team gets a chance.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Okay, let me get my 30-second timer going.
the Zoomerangs only.
And Tom, test it, see if you can draw. Click on annotate if you have the ability to draw. Beautiful. All right, Tom, 30 seconds starting now. Go Zoomerangs.
I don't see anything.
Tom's not drawing.
Not wrong.
Scissors.
Scissors. Butterfly.
Tom, are you drawing?
Yes.
Haircut.
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 Okay, hold on now.
Clippers.
Scissors.
Barber.
Oh,
Time is up. Zoomerangs, what is your final guess?
Barber.
Hairdresser.
I will take that. It was hairstylist. Well done.
Yay.
Good job, Team Zoomerang. We've got more fun and exciting engagement ideas that you can use at your upcoming event. Tune into the next Hot Off the Press. Stay hot.